we're looking at Latin America once again, and we're going to look at some of the ancient achievements. So we're kind of traveling back in time and understanding some of the achievements so we kind of understand how it could influence what's currently going on there. And so our biggest thing is we're going to look at the ancient societies. It'll be Aztec, Maya, Incas, and look at what they did. And they did some amazing things. And often we don't give some of the natives in the Americas the credit they deserve, but they were great engineers, huge innovators, doing great stuff, but it often gets overlooked and we focus more on European history. Now, we're going to talk about what an achievement is. We're going to look at Roman achievements just so we have an idea this is going on at the same time. And you can be thinking, hey, there's some really good stuff going on at the same time or after this time in Latin America. You're going to watch this video. You're going to write down this information, background. What would you rank this for achievement level? And this will be our focus for the whole unit. You're going to look at the scale of it. You know, how big is it? How many people did it affect? Genius, was it brilliant, cutting edge of the time? The effort, did it take a huge physical effort and mental effort to actually do this? You're going to see what is the significance of this. And so, yes, you're going to start as a practice with the Roman Colosseum. And then you're going to see like the sample that I did. You're then going to go in and explore these three societies that I talked about and do something similar as well. So you're going to start first with a Mayan video that gives you a little overview of what life was like there. Then you're going to go over Mayan history. Now for this, you're going to notice that it is a quiz, but the PowerPoint is built in at the top. So you can watch, like scroll through the PowerPoint and answer the questions. The questions will be in order. So you have a PowerPoint here. You can scroll through to the different slides. It'll look a little different on yours. It doesn't let me scroll through, but on yours, you'll be able to scroll through and you can answer the questions as they come up and read through. And again, they'll be in order. After you're finished with that, you will answer just like you did for Rome. You're going to answer the questions about Mayan Empire, but you get to pick what area of achievement you want to look at and rank it as well. You might give it a score of 4 based on these 4 principles, or you might be like, no, it's not a 4, maybe it's a 3 or a 2. It's lacking scale. It really wasn't that big of a deal. It didn't affect that many people. Or maybe it was huge scale, genius, but it didn't leave, that significant impact on the world. So you have to pick one of these 5 things. You will follow the same format for the Mayans and the Incas. Now, by the time you get to Mayas, I'm going to ask you, instead of just to jot it down as notes, to actually write it in a paragraph. And at the end, your last one will be for summative for a score.